बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम अगैन बैक टू बहरिया। और आज जो टेम्परेचर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, ठीक है। और आज जब आते हुए मुझे जब बहरिया से मैं आ रहा था तो मुझे लिटरली वो अपने वो समर्स वाला टाइम याद आ गया जिसमें सही तपती धूप होती थी और हम तपती धूप में आते थे। लेकिन द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ कि वी हैव अ बिग पार्किंग एरिया, तो हमें पार्किंग जो है वो जल्दी से मिल भी जाती है और हम जल्दी से गाड़ी खड़ी करके अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में दाखिल हो जाते हैं। वाई आई कीप टेलिंग यू दी स्टार्टिंग पंच लाइन्स, दी स्टार्टिंग इंट्रोडक्शन, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू कैन कनेक्ट। आपको आप उस वाक़े के साथ जुड़ जाते हो, क्योंकि आप भी अभी ऑब्वियसली मेरे यूनिवर्सिटी में हैं, तो फिर आप भी वो जो चीज़ें जिन चीज़ों से हम गुजरे हैं उन चीज़ों से आप भी गुजरे होंगे या आप गुजर रहे होंगे अभी। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आज फिर मेरे साथ एक ऐसे गेस्ट है जिनके बारे में बताते हुए मुझे खुशी होती है कि बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी ने ऐसे प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस किए हैं। आई विल से हम लोगों को मैं प्रोडक्ट कहूँगा, नो ऑफेंस, विद नो ऑफेंस, क्योंकि ये ऐसे लोग हैं जो बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए एग्जाम्पल सेट कर चुके हैं। उनकी वजह से बहुत सारे बच्चे जो आज मुझे सुन रहे हैं, जो आज देख रहे हैं, जो आज एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे जो बातें वो कह रहे हैं फ्रॉम हिस कॉन्वर्सेशन, दे गोइंग टू थिंक कि जो वो उन्होंने किया, जो चीज़ें वो कर पाए या आज जिस मकाम पर वो खड़े हैं वो भी कर सकते हैं। लेडीज जेंटलमैन, आज फिर हमारे साथ एक बैंकर मौजूद है, लेकिन ये जो बैंकर आज मेरे साथ मौजूद है ना, लेट मी टेल यू, इन्होंने कोई 1-2 साल, 4-5 साल, 6-7 साल नहीं बल्कि 13 to 14 ईयर्स इन्होंने बैंकिंग में गुजारे हैं। 2007 में इन्होंने ग्रेजुएट किया, 2009 में मास्टर्स किया। मास्टर्स इन्होंने जॉब के साथ किया। इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट ही डिड। आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क हिम मच मोर अबाउट इट। आई हैव तैमूर नवीद खान विद मी, हु हैज़ डन अ लॉट फॉर यूनिवर्सिटी एज वेल। जब यूनिवर्सिटी में थे तो बहुत सारे इवेंट्स भी किए, रेडियो जॉकी भी हैं। मेरे ख्याल में ये बताना भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है बिकॉज ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड स्पीकर। ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड मेरी बड़ी बड़ी मज़े की बातें उनसे हुई। हाउ डिड ही गेट दिस मोटिवेशन, हाउ डिड ही गेट दिस ऑल कॉन्फिडेंस, ये सारा कुछ जो आज उनकी पर्सनालिटी में इनबिल्ट है, जो ट्रेड्स पहले से थे और जो ट्रेड्स बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी ने उनको दिए, उसके हवाले से सारी कुछ बात करेंगे। लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपको बताऊं कि तैमूर इज़ अ वर्सेटाइल पर्सनालिटी। हाउ कम? क्योंकि तैमूर जो है वो कस्टमर सर्विसेज के जो मैनेजर्स हैं ना उनको डील करते हैं और ज़्यादातर ख़वातीन को डील करते हैं। तो लेडीज जेंटलमैन, आई एम श्योर दैट इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ experiences he is getting, because it's very difficult to handle a lot of managers at the same time, और भी customer services को हैंडल करना, आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी टफ जॉब, डोंट यू थिंक सो? सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू बहरिया यूनिवर्सिटी अगैन।
Walaikum assalam. It's a pleasure being here, and it always feels like it's yesterday that I was here and having my friends and all of these things. And even when I was walking down the road, although there was heat outside, but I could not feel it because I was just filled with joy. This is one of those places that
The
we
memories
used to
occupied you.
Yeah, the place that we used to call home. We used to spend more of our time in the university than in our real home. So it was pretty good. So overall, coming back to Bairia has always been surprising, and especially when I see all this development that's been done, really gives me, gives me this proud feeling that I'm from this university, and this has actually enabled me becoming who I am.
अच्छा, जब अब आप दाखिल हुए यूनिवर्सिटी में, ऑब्वियसली आप टाइम एंड अगेन आते रहे होंगे, लेकिन आई वांट टू सी द डिफरेंस। मैं हर किसी से सवाल पूछता हूँ, मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है सवाल पूछते हुए कि 2007 में जब आप यूनिवर्सिटी आपने छोड़ी है, 2009 में छोड़ी, जब आपने ग्रेजुएट कर लिया, उसके बाद जब आप आज यूनिवर्सिटी को देखते हो तो व्हाट चेंजेस डू यू सी, व्हाट गुड चेंजेस डू यू सी? इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, व्हाट एल्स?
There are a lot of good changes. Like for example, हमारे टाइम पे यूनिफॉर्म होती थी, and at that time
Oh, no, really?
we used to be like यूनिफॉर्म क्यों पहननी है? So this uniform rule was abolished in front of us. So let's just say we're the part of the.
What was the year जब ये
It
हुआ?
was more like 2005, 4-5 के mid में they decided that
आप लोग
now
तो बड़े
everybody-
खुश हो गए होंगे।
Yeah, we were one of those people who actually, started this campaign that we should be allowed to wear normal clothes just like
Okay,
everyone
अच्छा,
else. Because we used to look at दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के बच्चों को और हम कहते थे यार इनकी ज़िंदगियाँ कितनी अच्छी हैं और हम लोगों के साथ ये क्या ज़्यादती है कि वाइट शर्ट पहननी और ब्लू पैंट. But eventually that was one of those memorable parts that once we had that dress code, we were all so much connected with each other. Because there was no brand, no class conscious thing going on. तो वो एक बहुत अच्छा टाइम भी था, and I guess जो उस वक्त के लोग जो आपकी दोस्तियाँ थी, they were pretty meaningful as well at that time.
Are you still friends with those people?
Yeah, I'm still friends with all my engineering class fellows and all my MBA class fellows. We keep in touch. We've got WhatsApp groups. We keep on talking.
Oh, nice.
And we even meet now, like whenever somebody from abroad is coming back, we'll have a big get together, we'll meet. And I guess that was one of those things that I still miss about Bairia, because once you get out of Bairia, तो आपको वो दोस्तियाँ नहीं मिलेंगी जो आपको बहरिया में मिलती थी।
अच्छा तैमूर, जब ऑब्वियसली आप बैंकिंग में 2007 से ही आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया, हाउ दैट प्रोसेस बिगन? आप कैसे गए, कोई इंटरव्यू दिया, व्हाट हैपेंड, हाउ डिड यू बिकम अ बैंकर, और यू डिड इंजीनियरिंग बैचलर्स और फिर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन एमबीए, सो देयर वाज डिफरेंट category if I see, what is that story?
Basically, when I started doing engineering, my entire prospect was to build robots. But once I got into engineering, I found out that building and developing a robot would actually take me ages.
बड़ा मसला है ना?
So at that time, 2007 we just graduated, and before 2007, engineering was considered as a very good field. People were getting pretty good paid jobs at that time. So 2007 had a financial crunch, and everybody in all kind of different jobs were actually decreasing. People were being laid
Salary
off,
cuts and all.
salary cuts and whatnot. So I decided, let's learn about money then. So I did MBA in finance. So that gave me an insight of what exactly went wrong, why did we have the global financial crisis, and that kind of intrigued me to banking, because banking is about money. Because I think whatever field you choose, all you have to do is just constantly work hard towards getting knowledge towards it. The more knowledge you will have, the easier it will get for you. And how did I learn that? Well, that was learned through the engineering experience that I had in Beria. Because our teachers used to make us practice different codes and whatnot, like 20 times, 30 times in a row, just so that we could understand कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. So that's one thing that Beria told me, if you're doing something.
Taimur, very frankly, आपने engineering की, उसके बाद आप banking में गए, फिर then you did MBA because that was the requirement of your particular job at that particular time. पर मज़े की बात ये कि हम लोग जब इंजीनियरिंग करते हैं तो फिर हमें लगता है कि सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग कंपनीज ही हमारे लिए बन गई हैं, अब हमने वही करनी है. सो दिस करियर काउंसलिंग, ये किसी ने की, कोई पर्टिकुलर टीचर था बेरिया में जिसने सिखाया?
लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स हु यूज्ड टू टेल अस के, I remember MBA mein we had Sir Atik, who was a very good teacher. He used to teach us economics, and there's only one thing that he always taught us whenever he came in the class. सबसे पहली चीज़ वो आके कहते थे कि यार सुनो सिर्फ इसलिए समझने के लिए, and don't think to find out problems in it, think to find out solutions of the problems you have in your mind. So that gave us a lot of idea that, you know, we've been learning the wrong way all our life. We're supposed to understand things rather than learn them. If we understand them, our learning becomes easy.
अच्छा, बड़े मज़े की बात बताओ तैमूर कि हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में कोई ना कोई ऐसा शख्स होता है. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों की ज़िंदगी में कोई ऐसा शख्स होगा जो कि एक टर्निंग पॉइंट, और अल्लाह करे वो शख्स अगर अभी तक नहीं आया तो आई वांट कि जल्दी से हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में आ जाए, जो आपके लिए टर्निंग पॉइंट होता है. वो आपके लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदल के चला जाता है. आपको या तो 180 डिग्री घुमा जाता है, 360 डिग्री घुमा जाता है. It depends on how influential that person is, how much you are inspired from that person. जैसे for me it's Anthony Robbins. मैंने जब I saw his Netflix की वो series तो मेरे लिए बड़ा fascinating था. It changed my life. I started thinking in a different way. Sometimes it's a book who changes your entire life. But teachers play a very important role. जैसे मेरी ज़िंदगी में Khola has changed my entire life career. मैंने जो करना था, मैं मुझे she showed me my qualities. She's one of our program officer. She was former program officer in Beria. And then Sahaziz, she changed my entire life. She pushed me to take subjects which she said you are good at it, just think about it, have the analysis. तो वो एनालिसिस करने के लिए जो पुश किया ना, तो उससे मेरी ज़िंदगी बड़ी बदल गई. सो इज देयर एनी टीचर, एनी फ्रेंड इन बेरिया, या कोई ऐसी चीज़, कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ जिसने तैमूर को बदलाओ थोड़ा सा?
When I joined Beria, तो उस वक्त, because I joined in the Karachi campus, and then I got transferred to Islamabad campus because my dad was in the army and he got posted, so we had to move. And when I came over here in Islamabad campus, so initially, obviously when you change your campus, there are not much friends. But what I found out was that there are different people from different degrees or classes that I saw were mingling around, and they were, like pretty much good friends. And some of them became really good friends of mine as well. But eventually जो सबसे ज़्यादा impact दिया था वो यही था कि यहाँ पे आके मुझे ये realize हुआ था कि once you lose your old friends, it's really difficult to make new ones.
True.
So once you have to make new friends, then you'll have to be able to listen to what they have to say and live up to their expectations and connect them in some way.
Yeah.
So connecting with people over here was pretty easy, and that kind of helped me in adjusting over here. Initially, everyone who first saw me was like, who is this new guy? But it just takes a couple of days,
months,
couple of weeks to actually get on with people.
Smart.
Since I was from Karachi, and in Karachi, people are not that shy to ask questions, to talk to a
they're
random
they're
person.
bit हाँ they're
They're
confident
pretty open
enough,
towards
हाँ,
it.
हाँ.
तो
अच्छा तैमूर मुझे एक चीज़ पूछनी है कि as far as your personality is concerned, मैंने देखा you're very confident, माशाल्लाह, and the way you talk, the way your conversation, मुझे याद है अभी ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड जब हम बात कर रहे थे, तुम्हारे जो कैमरामैन थे, हमारे प्रोड्यूसर सब तैमूर की बातें सुन रहे थे, बड़े गौर से सुन रहे थे. So you have that speaking power, माशाल्लाह. Obviously it's because of घर से भी होता है कि आपको confidence मिलता है, लेकिन university institute makes a big difference in your life as far as your personality is concerned. So तैमूर नवीद खान को क्यों वो जॉब मिल गई और किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी के बच्चों को क्यों नहीं मिली? What do you think Bahria has given you in that sense?
Bahria has given me a lot in that sense. Since you were talking about Khola being the student resource, you know, the first program officer for Student Resource Center. Before Khola, we had Ma'am Amna as the program officer. And I was appointed as the first intern for the Student Resource Center. So working over there, I fell into this entire concept of arranging different talent hunt programs, doing different dramatics competitions. We went to JICI, we went to LUMS, and then we had
So
Radio
did I.
Pakistan, you know, coming over here as well.
Yeah, yeah.
We went in 2008 to LUMS, and that's the only time Bahria won, and we won at that time. So, uske baad when, you know, in 2008 we had this Radio Pakistan people who came over, and we were arranging interviews for different, you know, people who wanted to become RJs and, you know,
So
radio
the
jockeys.
university created opportunities for
They
people.
created
kept-
the opportunity, and
yeah.
I was getting the interviews done, and then the person who was taking the interviews, he said, "Why don't you give an interview?" I was like, "Because I listen to rap music, and I don't think that's going to be played." Then he told me, "Look, we're Radio Pakistan. We're launching a new channel. We'd like to have you on board." And then I went. They trained us for a month.
Are you still doing radio?
Yeah, I'm still doing
See
radio.
that interview that somebody pushed you to have that first chance changed your entire life. Now that's your hobby.
That's more like, if I don't do it, it's more like an addiction to me now.
Ah.
Because you need to have that mic, you need to have that interaction with
वो
people.
अंदर से ना वो एक आपको एनर्जी बूस्ट मिलता है. आप वो जो चीज़ जो आपको पसंद होती है वो अगर आप पूरा हफ्ता ना करें तो आपको लगता है समथिंग मिसिंग है ना.
And I
कुछ miss
always,
लगता
you
है.
know, because Bahria ने ये चीज़ भी सिखाई थी कि always do things that you love doing. So, you know, that's something that I just loved, because I used to talk a lot with people. I used to be pretty chatty about a lot of different things. And when I got the opportunity of going towards radio, it just, you know, changed it in a very different way. Then I started hosting shows. I've been hosting concerts. I've been hosting different conferences. You know, we've been doing OIC conferences that I've
Wow.
hosted. So it was pretty good. And at that time, all of these things were because of Bahria. My first concert that I hosted was a concert with the Jal Band. That was an open air theatre,
Acha.
Shakarpadiya. And that was in 2009 or 8, most probably 2008. So that was the first concert that I ever hosted. And that was because Bahria gave me the opportunity of becoming an RJ, and I was then chosen by Radio Pakistan to host this concert. So, you know, I've had pretty good times.
So do you have pictures of that event?
Yeah, I
You
have
still have it,
pictures of
right?
all the events that I've ever hosted. Although I've never posted it on my social media. I really should do that, but you know, you don't find the
You
time
should
and
do it.
energy.
I think you should do it. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं तो ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड जो अभी ब्रेक लेंगे उसमें मैं देख लूँगा कि तैमूर की वो तस्वीरें कैसी हैं और उसमें कैसे ये होस्ट कर रही हैं, कैसे दिख रहे हैं. आई होप कि हम आपको भी दिखा सकें. आई विल टॉक टू द प्रोड्यूसर कि हम शो में वो पिक्चर्स जो हैं वो चला दें और आपको दिखा सकें. लेकिन फॉर दैट अब मैं अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये पूछना है कि वो अच्छी सी याद जो हमें हंसा दे. कोई ऐसी याद तो ज़रूर होती है. आप यूनिवर्सिटी में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें करती हैं. आई हैव तो प्लेंटी ऑफ स्टोरीज, बट वी गोइंग टू आस्क तैमूर अबाउट इट कि कौन सी स्टोरी है जो उनको अभी तक याद है. बट फॉर दैट यू हैव टू टेक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. आप चाय शाय लेकर आएँ या कुछ भी लेने जा रहे हैं तो कैंटीन से लेकर आप आ जाएँ. सो विल कम बैक आफ्टर द शॉर्ट ब्रेक एंड टॉक अबाउट तैमूर्स beautiful events, what happened in his university time. Take a break. ऑलराइट जी, वेलकम बैक. और मैंने यकीनन ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड जो है वो अभी मैंने बैक द कैमरा मैंने भी वो देखी है, सारी जो पिक्चर्स हैं वो मैं अब आपके साथ शेयर हो सकती नहीं हो सकती, दैट आई डोंट नो, बट आई हैव सीन इट एंड एक्चुअली बड़ी मज़ेदार पिक्चर्स थी और बड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक हो जाता है बंदा जब पुरानी कुछ चीज़ें देखता है और आपको होता है कि यार कैन आई गो बैक टू दैट टाइम,
और
उसमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ नहीं होती हैं बिल्कुल भी, याद
कुछ
है
भी
वो,
नहीं होता है, एंड यू
है ना?
ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग कि यार उस वक्त तो मैं जवान था. So you know nobody wants to get old.
आप
That's
अभी
one
भी
thing.
जवान है, अच्छा वो क्या बात है?
I look young but I'm not.
अच्छा हाँ, ये हम पूछेंगे इनकी उम्र क्या है. So, अच्छा तैमूर, कोई इंसिडेंट, मजेदार इंसिडेंट जो यूनिवर्सिटी के टाइम पर अभी तक याद हो और हंस जाते हो सोच कर?
There's still incidents. There's still people that I meet over here in Islamabad who come up to me and they're like, "You're from Beria, right?" I'm like, "Yeah." And they're like, "You know, आपने हमारी ragging की थी." And then we have a good chat, and then we sit and have fun, and we talk about how it
क्या
used
करते
to
थे
be.
रैगिंग में? What do you guys do?
It was pretty fun at that time क्योंकि उस वक्त रैगिंग के ऊपर हम लोगों का ज़रा रैगिंग स्टाइल इतना जंगली नहीं
अच्छा,
होता
हाँ.
था. We were more sophisticated kind of raggers. So we would
अब तो
ask
it's not
people
allowed.
to, you know, stand on the stool or a chair and sing for us.
Oh, nice.
Or, you know, we'd tell someone that, okay, we're playing a track, you dance for us. So we
Do you remember anyone जिसने कुछ ऐसा किया हो जो आपको अभी तक याद हो?
I still remember, and then if we gave them these options, like if you don't want to, you know, do any of this, all you have to do is take us to the cafeteria and feed us some food. So a lot of girls used to be, you know, of this sort कि ठीक है जी हम गाना नहीं गाएंगे. What we'll do is we'll give you whatever you want to eat.
हाँ.
But the thing that I remember till now is that a lot of people that I ragged became my best friends afterwards.
Now that happens. That's what
Even my
usually happens.
juniors,
Yeah.
you know, even my juniors that I used to rag, and you know, even the classes that because we used to rag the entire class at one time. Imagine 20 people getting in one class. They're new kids. Their first day in university. They got no idea what's going to happen.
I am at the moment.
And you go inside with 20 people, and you're like, everybody
जनाब
stand on their chairs.
निकाले. अच्छा,
Everybody-
बड़े मजे की बात ये है कि ये जो रैगिंग वाला सिस्टम होता है, he rightly said कि उससे आपका इतना बेहतरीन कनेक्शन बिल्ड हो जाता है ना कि even though next time अगर आप उस बैल्कनी से गुजर भी रहे होते हैं तो you give a smile to each other and because university में it is very important getting notes from your seniors, getting books from your seniors,
And
और बैरियर में
even-
बड़ा है ये.
And ये चीज़ उस वक्त इतनी अच्छी होती थी कि the girls that we ragged, if somebody was being teased by another guy or if somebody was being disturbed by someone, they would come up to us and they'll say कि यार this is the person who's teasing us, who's not behaving nicely,
हाँ.
and then we'll just go up to and talk to him.
Nice seniors.
Bro, मतलब क्या
पर
कर
आज
रहे
मैंने
हो?
सोचा कि आज मैं इसके बाद ना तैमूर को ले जाऊंगा कैंटीन में, तैमूर से अब मैं खाना खाऊंगा, रैगिंग है भाई आपकी, वहाँ में सबको खिलाएं, है ना?
Definitely, because and even अभी, you know, when I started working, तो अभी just this incident that happened about 4-5 years back, there was one of these girls that was pretty fat when she joined Beria, and you know, we had girls with us who used to do raggings of girls only. We boys would never interfere. We would circle them around, but
Yeah.
the girls would do the part,
Yeah.
all the talking.
Yeah.
So one of those girls came up to me and she's like, "You're from Beria." I'm like, she was working in my bank. I never knew that you know, I didn't even recognize her. She's like, "You're this person." I was like, "Yeah." And she's like, "Your nickname in Beria was this." I was like, "Yeah, how did you know that?"
You're the one who ragged me.
Yeah, and then she's like, "You know, you're the one jinke saath, you know, there were 4 or 5 different girls and they made a cockroach with lipstick on my head. If you guys remember
God.
that." And we're like, I was like, I don't remember it. And then she showed me her picture when she was fat. And then I looked at her and was like, leave that. ये तुम्हें क्या हुआ है? So Beria kind of motivates a lot of people as well, because उस वक्त एक तो ये था कि Beria University को consider किया जाता था one of those institutes जहाँ पर if you get admission into it, it was considered as a posh institute.
Yeah, and the institute where you'll going to have a confidence of your voice.
Yeah.
People will let you talk about whatever you want to talk about.
And you'll talk sense to people
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah. And
It
confident
wouldn't-
people.
it
You'll
wouldn't
very
be कि
confident people produce करता
सिर्फ
है.
रट्टे तो तू होंगे, इसमें ये
हाँ.
भी होगा कि आपको चीज़ भी पता होगी and you'll have the confidence to do that work. as
अच्छा,
well.
आपने कहा कि आपको अक्सर बैरिया यूनिवर्सिटी के स्टूडेंट्स मिलते हैं. अब क्योंकि यू आर इन अ बैंकिंग डिपार्टमेंट, बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे जो बैरिया से ग्रेजुएट करके आते होंगे, इंटरव्यूज में भी देखा होगा, शायद उनसे मुलाकात होगी. तो व्हाट वन थिंग तैमूर कहता है कि यार ये तो बैरिया के स्टूडेंट में होगी और ज़रूर होगी, और आप जब फिगर आउट करते हो तो वो चीज़ भी उनमें से निकलती है. वो क्या एक ऐसा ट्रेट है जो आप देखते हो, कहते हो कि यार और कुछ हो ना हो, he'll be very confident, yeah, he'll be very social, yeah, he'll be very good in management. What is that one thing?
I mean, recently I was hiring staff for my team. I had to hire about 50 different girls for different branches in Pindi and Islamabad. So I was, you know, taking interviews. A lot of Barians appeared in the interviews as well. But there's one thing that I've seen in them now, that they're outspoken, they are confident, and they have high expectations. So these are the three things that you
And
would
high
find.
goals.
And high goals.
And high
They
goals.
if you'd ask them where do you see yourself in next 5 years, the answers that I got was in your chair. I was like, that's good. I
Yeah.
would want to see someone who would want to work that much to
Yeah,
actually become
yeah, 100%.
something that I am.
And I'm sure
So-
जब आपने start किया होगा तो that was your goal as well,
Yeah.
कि जब आपकी सीट पे बैठा होगा कि I want to come here,
And I want to work
and
here.
today you are here.
And then you're here. But then
Yeah.
again, when you reach
हाँ.
here, you understand, oh, this से तो आगे भी बहुत सारी मंजिलें हैं. But then again, it's an achievement. Like, for example, a lot of people don't really know me for the banking that I do. A lot of people in Twin Cities know me for the part of the radio and the hostings that I've done. So every time I see a Bahrian, and when I interact with someone and they tell me they're a Bahrian, and then they tell me that they've seen me hosting and all of this as well, and then they're like, "How did you do it?" And I'm like, "I don't know. It's all because of Bahria. Maybe if I never
that's
got into this university, I wouldn't have been the same person that I am today."
Actually, you talked about Sir Ateek at that point of time when I was asking you about the incident, but I want to know कुछ teachers ऐसे जैसे कि जो छाप छोड़ जाते हैं आपको याद होते हैं, या because of their humor, sometimes because of their teaching style, sometimes because of their anything. कोई ऐसे teachers है जो अभी दो याद हो आपको और आप अभी तक ना भूले और you're in touch with them?
There's this Colonel Imtiaz, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
I
Right.
think he's still here.
अच्छा.
He's one
I'm
of
not
those teachers. He used to be one of those teachers who was very angry, and everybody used to be pretty scared of him. And I was never scared of him, because my grandfather is also a retired army officer. So I've seen that the kind of the way that he used to be. That's
Yeah.
exactly how my grandfather used to be. So I used to be pretty comfortable with him. And one day he asked me, and he's like, everyone's scared from me. Why aren't you? I was like, मैं आपको अपने नाना की तरह समझता हूँ, मुझे तो टेंशन ही कोई नहीं. And then, because he was considered a very arrogant and a very, hard kind of a teacher. And then he used to, give me this option of coming and studying in his room. If I didn't understand something in the class, I would say, sir, I would want to learn
Yeah,
this.
that's what I love about Bahrian.
And he would say कि हाँ please बैठो. मगर कोई और आगे कहता था तो कहता था जाओ बेटा घर जाके पढ़ो. So this is something that I've seen.
You
That
connect with them,
if you treat people nicely, they'll end up treating you nicely.
And any other teacher you remember?
There are other teachers, like there was this ma'am Nadia. She was my senior as
Nadia
well.
Bakhtawari you're talking about?
Nadia Asgar.
Okay.
She was in MBA. She did our, she basically taught us finance in MBA, major subjects, usually financial management and all of that. She was our senior as well. So हम जब कुछ नहीं हमें आ रहा होता था तो हम उनसे बैठ के भी सीख रहे होते थे.
और ये तो बड़ा मजे का कल्चर है कि हम अपनी लॉबीज में और गैलरीज में बैठकर वी जस्ट आर डिस्कसिंग थिंग्स एंड पेपर के 10-15 दिन पहले हम शुरू हो जाते थे कि यार ये पढ़ा दो, ये कर दो,
ये समझा दो, ये क्या है.
हाँ, आई लव दिस कल्चर ऑफ बहरिया. ये बड़े मजे का
वो फिर वो ग्रुप स्टडीज होती थी. अब 4 बजे क्लासेस खत्म हो जाती थी, बट 8 बजे तक बैठे हुए हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज वी डूइंग अ ग्रुप स्टडी. And then at that time, no one was pretty much, into this thing कि कोई जगह हो जहाँ पे आप बैठ के इतने सारे लोग पढ़ सको. So जब आप पूरी क्लास ही बैठी होती थी, कैफे भरे हुए होते थे, तो वो ना अक्सर हमारे टीचर्स भी कहते थे यार तुम लोग घर क्यों नहीं जाते? तो like हमारा दिल ही नहीं चाहता घर जाने का. Because
and now you miss that time, I'm sure.
Yeah, everyone does, because the moment you exit the university, you're like, thank God my real life started. The moment your real life starts, you get
like,
to know.
Oh God, I want to go back. I swear
Send
that is
me
what
back.
my heart is saying at the moment. But who told me to grow up? I never wanted to grow up.
I
now.
know. I always say.
I
I always used to say that, because उस ज़माने में ये Orchid का time भी होता था. Facebook इतना नहीं आया.
हाँ,
तो
I
we were
remember.
more of
Testimonials,
an
oh my God.
testimonial and Orchid generation. So I had this one-liner, "Don't grow up, it's a trap."
It's a trip.
And now when I think of it, I'm like, पता तो मुझे पहले से था, but it's a trap, and we all have to grow up.
You all have to do. ये ऐसा लड्डू है जो आपने खाना ही खाना है. अच्छा, तैमूर, lastly, ऐसा क्या मैसेज है, क्योंकि तैमूर, you have done an amazing job. The consistency you have. I always tell, जितने interviews हुए, मैंने शायद बार-बार ये बात कही है, because I want to give you a reality check every time I come here. आप लोगों ने consistency देखनी है. Choose a career and be consistent. अपना सारा टाइम एनर्जी उसको दें. दैट प्रोफेशन, दैट करियर, दैट लाइन यू हैव चूजन इज गोइंग टू गिव यू बैक. शायद थोड़ी सी देर से दे, लेकिन इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गिव यू बैक. व्हाट मैसेज यू वांट टू गिव टू द न्यू जनरेशन ऑफ बहरिया जो अभी इनरोल्ड हैं या अभी ग्रेजुएशन कर रहे हैं, मास्टर्स कर रहे हैं?
This thing that I like to add to it, ke there's only, if you think there's something that you cannot achieve, it might not be something that you think is in your reach, then you're wrong about it. Everything that you can dream, you can achieve it. all you
Later
have
also
to
no.
do, yeah, all you have to do is just have a path derived for it. Like for example, when I did my engineering, I wanted to go out there and make robots, and then I went into finance industry, and then I found out that no, more than wanting to build robots, I enjoy finance or customer services more. And then I ended up being the cluster manager for the customer experience. So जो भी आप चीज़ को सोचते हैं वो आप अचीव कर सकते हैं, उसके पीछे मेहनत आपने करनी है, रिजल्ट्स आपको इवेंचुअली विद टाइम मिलेंगे. And a lot of people really run after money. What I think is पैसा जो है that's not the equivalent of happiness. So if you're getting a job which has a lot of money to it, that's not going to give you happiness. Happiness is doing what you love. Like for example, if I'm doing my radio, I'm hosting, it's something that I love to do. The same way if I'm in my bank and I'm talking about customer services or guiding people
that is one of the things you like to do as well.
Yeah,
so there are number of things you can do at the same time. Why
at
not?
the same time. Plus a lot of people
Yeah.
used to tell me कि जी आप दो careers एक साथ लेके नहीं चल सकते.
You don't agree?
Because if you put your 2 feet in 2 different ships, eventually one of those ships will part ways and you'll be left with one.
I don't agree with that. I don't agree with this. That's a very old school thought. I don't agree with this. You can have at the same time, as I'm doing 3 things at the same time, I think you can do it. It's all how do you manage to do it? How do you manage your timetable? How much you want? It is about one last thing before I say goodbye to Taimur. It was wonderful having you. You have such a vast experience. I have learned a lot from you. But जो तैमूर की भी मैंने एक चीज़ जो ट्रेट देखी, देयर वाज अ हंगर, एक भूख. अगर आप में वो भूख है तो आपको हो नहीं सकता कि आप वो चीज़ पाएँ. ये मुमकिन ही नहीं है कि वो चीज़ आपसे दूर जाए. वो आप चीज़ ज़रूर पाएंगे. सूनर और लेटर इट विल गोइंग टू कम टू यू, बट फॉर दैट यू शुड हैव अ हंगर. और उसके लिए आपको कंसिस्टेंट भी होना पड़ेगा और कंसिस्टेंटली उस बात पर अपनी मेहनत करते जाएं और इंशाल्लाह वन डे यू गोइंग टू अचीव योर गोल्स.
And consistency is basically the key to success.
Agreed.
So whatever happens in your life happens for a reason. Move on and don't sweat about कि यार ऐसा क्यों हो गया.
ऐसा क्यों हो गया.
So
मुश्किलें आएंगी but eventually
consistency is going to get you through. That's how it is.
So इंशाल्लाह ताला जनाब आपसे मुलाकात होगी अगली बार किसी ऐसे गेस्ट के साथ जिनके एक्सपीरियंसेस से आप बहुत कुछ सीख सकेंगे. बैक टू बहरिया में हुमायूं ज़ेब अब्बासी साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम तैमूर नवीद खान. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. फॉलो द SOPs और प्लीज़ याद रखिएगा कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ द की. अगर आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो कोई चीज़ आपको रोक नहीं सकती जब तक आप खुद ना रुकें. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.